Changing your username on Crunchyroll is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Crunchyroll website and log into your account using your current username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located in the upper right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to proceed. Step 3. Find Username section. In the Account Settings menu, look for the section labeled Profile or Username. This is where you can view and edit your current username. Step 4. Enter new username. Click on the option to change your username. Enter your desired new username, ensuring it meets any specified requirements, such as character limits or restrictions. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and update your username. Once you've completed these steps, your Crunchyroll username will be successfully changed. Enjoy your new username while watching your favorite shows.